Good morning people, welcome you all back to my channel once again. This is Djmahaneet with an exciting ride coming up today. This is the big one for this month, the ride to Goa for the India Bike Week. It seems like the entire world is riding to IBW or the India Bike Week. I saw a lot of riders from across the globe saying they're riding to IBW. Let's see how crowded it is. I'm sure there will be tons and tons of bikers. Good morning once again, and today is Thursday. It's the 7th of December 2023, and the time right now it's around 8 a.m. and I'm right now, I've seen just crossed Parle Toll on Tumkur Road. I'm riding solo as Vinay was supposed to come with me, had a personal emergency and has backed out. So both of us supposed to ride to Goa and meet the rest of the gang there at Goa where we're staying tonight. So since he's not riding, I'm going to be riding alone, and even the room is all to myself since we're supposed to share the room. So the plan for me right today is I'm going to head towards Davanagere, have breakfast, probably a quick stopover at Kudlani Falls, and then head to northern part of Goa. So stay tuned people as we ride to Goa. So done about 100 kilometers, just crossed Sira, about another hour and a half to reach Davanagere. The time right now is 9:15. Stay tuned people as we ride to Goa. Wow, a big Sai Baba sitting on the rocks. Chitradurga this is, we've reached Chitradurga. So the breakfast point where I plan to stop, that is Davanagere. It should be about 1 hour from here. The time right now is 10 a.m. So 11 o'clock I could be having breakfast. So I reached Davanagere and the time right now it's 11 a.m. So every time I come to Davanagere, I always get confused with this place. The map shows so many different places. So here it is, Shri Guru Koteshwara Butter Masala Dosa Hotel. I always look for this particular hotel. I mean, there are a lot of people who claim to be original. Check this out. So after a scrumptious breakfast, having this yummy butter masala here in Davanagere, I'm off back to the highway and the grind for the next few hours would be holding the throttle and sitting. Nothing much to do on the highways except find a line to take in between the buses, trucks and the cars. I hope I don't feel sleepy after that heavy masala dosas. They gave 2 for each plate. They gave 2 dosas. But it was not heavy. It still felt light, very thin, crispy. We should visit the Guru Koteeshwara Benne Masala Dosa. If you come to Davanagere, I'll try to leave the link to the location in case you want to check this place out. Very nice dosa, worth to visit. So we are about 120 kilometers from Panjim, just around the border of Goa, and waiting for a train at the railway crossing. The time right now, I think it's about 2 in the afternoon, and the 5 I should be in the resort. Quite a long ride. I took a lot of breaks along, was a bit sleepy after my breakfast. I just entered Goa state, I think. All vehicles have become GA now. And the weather, of course, changed. As we're descending down from the ghats to the coastal areas, humidity seems to be increasing. It's been a long time since I came to Goa. I don't even remember when was the last. So the roads still need a lot of work, a lot of off-roading. Beautiful valleys here as we go down into the seashore. A lot of small waterfalls. Hope you like the drone shots I just shot of the valley from up here. Another 80 kilometers to go to our resort in Vagator, North Goa. We're already in Goa. So it should take us another 2 hours, I think, going through Panjim and then up north through the Goan traffic. Stay tuned as we ride through the beautiful mountains. Beautiful roads here in Goa as we approach Panjim. The quality of tar is something. It feels like a racetrack. Very soft tar, almost slides. So another 1 hour I should be in the resort, the property. We're in heart of Goa right now. Central, we're going to go to the northern part of Goa. So reached Goa around 4:30, 4:40 I think, and it was a fantastic ride today. Hope you liked the entire log from today. I checked into this beautiful property here in Vagator, Casa Flip I think it's called. I always get the names wrong. I'll leave the link to this property down in my description box below if you want to visit this property if you're around Vagator, Anjana area. So tomorrow, exciting day coming up tomorrow, day one of IBW. Stay tuned. Uh, Today is going to be a wrap. We're just going to have dinner and a few drinks probably and chill out around Vagator. So I'm going to end the log today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. And if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. So that's it from today. Look forward to an exciting day 2 from IBW here in Goa. Until tomorrow, it's sayonara, adios and goodbye. Thank you very much for watching once again. Bye bye. So that's my bike, and that's the previous thing, and that's the room. I don't think we have too much light. I don't know outside. That's the view from the room. It's a beautiful property there in Bangalore. And that's the room we are staying now. I'll give a property tour tomorrow in daytime.
Small as the first moon, hidden in the stillness of a heron's breathless emerald wing, and for the yoga that Christ taught on his tree of love. Though the sun may sit like a chariot on stilts of flame and cherry glass, suffering into happiness the way of empty hands, chanting the secrets that make it bright. A tear of sadness for all of worldly joy. As moths return to their torched graves and springs arrive early,